Hello everyone, good to see you again. In this lecture, we'll cover Bool data type. In programming, Boolean values represents the concept of true or false, indicating options such as yes or no, on or off. As you know, in C#, we have a data type called bool to store Boolean values. Now, let's demonstrate the position of the bool data type in our data types diagram. The bool type is categorized as a value type, precisely in the simple type sections. Alright, the size of the bool type is 8 bits, and it can only hold two possible values, true or false. Just like other simple types that we mentioned before, by appending a question mark after the bool type, we can make this variable nullable. Now, in addition to true and false, this variable is also capable of storing a null value. Okay, the bool type is widely used for expressing logical decisions and conditions in many scenarios. For example, here, these two comparison operators evaluate a Boolean value. Similarly, the logical AND operator evaluated to a Boolean value. Or here, we declare a Boolean variable named isSunny and initialize it with the value false, indicating that it's not sunny. In this block of code, we have an if statement that checks the value of isSunny variable. Since it's false, in this case, the condition evaluates to false. So, the code inside the else block is executed, and the message "it's not sunny today" is printed in the terminal. If we change the value of isSunny to true, now the condition in the if statement would be evaluated to true. So, this time, the code inside if block would be executed and the message "it's a sunny day" would be printed in the terminal. Okay, done. In the next lecture, we'll talk about if statement. See you there.